All right, guys, here's an opportunity to take advantage of me showing you where to place signs, different spots. So stand by, let's get it. Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man. I'm going to show you guys a few places where to place signs. I met this beautiful family in Bed Bath & Beyond a few weeks back, and I agreed to show them a few things as far as putting out Bandit signs. And so here's your opportunity to ride along with us, and I'm going to show you what I'm showing them. So stay tuned. Okay, I wanted to show you guys how I use freeway exits as a target to place Bandit signs. Like this particular exit here, the signs are going to go over here, but as you can see, the freeway is that way. You can see it both this way also. And we're out here early on a Sunday morning, not too early, but early enough for me or whatever. So we're going to walk over here to the actual signs. Like this sign here, you're going to place using cable ties. And you want to make sure these are tight. It's all about visibility. So this is a traffic light with an exit ramp with a traffic light. So therefore, people are going to see your message regardless if they want to or not, which that's the ideal thing. So you place the sign there, boom, make sure it's tight with your cable ties. As you notice, I have two of each. To get a little bit more stability. Sometimes they'll still come off, so you want to pull them tight or whatever, and boom, you got your sign up. As you can see, this is off a freeway exit. You got a traffic light also at the same time, so boom. In a actual Walmart parking lot, and these are going to be some good targets to place signs, or just parking lots in general. It could be Target, it could be Home Depot, or whatever. So you're just looking for some visibility. This is one of the ones I call visible but invisible. So what we have here is an actual stop sign here that is going to go on. And so I'm going to go ahead and place the sign on this one. I'm actually training someone right now, so he's showing his skills. Boom, pull it. There you go. All right. We do the other one. Oh yeah, there you go. All right. So boom, there we go. So that's one in an actual shopping center parking lot. Visible but invisible. Boom. I got to do some house cleaning. First, take advantage of my 200 plus videos right here on YouTube that anyone can access, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the little bell so you are alerted whenever I go live on YouTube, and you are alerted whenever I upload new videos. Don't forget about my Thursday night Flippinars, where I and guests will answer your questions live on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. We will answer your questions live about wholesaling houses or just real estate investing in general. If you haven't already picked up a copy, make sure you take advantage of my ebook on how to wholesale 3 to 5 houses per month. It's at a very reasonable price, and it comes with bonuses. If you like podcasts, make sure you access my podcast at flipmanpodcast.com for Android and Apple products. Don't forget about mailtoflip.com, where this would give you an opportunity to stand out from your competition whenever you can mail a postcard and or a letter to an owner with a picture of their actual property. Of course, that will get their attention. You can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at flipman.net. That's Flipman, DOT, NET. If you want a copy of the one-page contract that I've used since 2003, you can get a free copy by simply going over to my site at flipman.net. You can also take advantage of my actual course and coaching options. If you have a single family property or a multi-family deal that you want to split 50-50 with me, simply get over to 5050.deals. You can submit your properties there. If you're looking for funding for your fix and flips or to jumpstart your wholesale marketing, you can get over to fundmynextdeal.com. That's fundmynextdeal.com. So now back to the video. Here we are now. This is a main drag, but again, it's a Sunday morning, so it's not that busy. So instead of actually being on the street, we're basically within a neighborhood at the same time, you're going to be visible, but invisible. So you're not going to actually be on the main street with a lot of traffic. You're going to try to do the entry streets. And so here we have a stop sign right here that's in front of this popular restaurant or whatever. So we're going to place a sign right here on this stop sign right here. So it's pulling it tight, pulling the zip tight, and so boom, there you go. Again, this is normally a very busy street, but it's a Sunday morning. We're in the South. Everybody at church are not up at all or whatever. So we're within a neighborhood, but on a busy street. So not actually on the busy street, but one of the side streets. Here, just another simple stop sign. Really not that busy on this street, but just to give you an idea. Again, this is within the neighborhood. I like doing that a lot, within an actual neighborhood that I'm targeting. In this neighborhood, you don't really have to worry about the signs getting taken down a lot. It is what it is. So a lot of times you can identify these by just riding around and seeing what's already there. You know, they've already done the hard work for you. Trust me, if you see signs and they look like they're staying up, those guys are not wasting their time and or money if they're not producing results, which turns into obviously deals. So here's another sign that we're putting up, again, within the actual neighborhood itself. Traffic has to stop at some point because there's an actual stop sign, so they'll see your message. So boom, here's another one. Okay, give a little different angle now. This is the actual speed sign. Now this is, again, this is a main drag here. As you can see, there's a traffic light right here. Do a close up, boom. All right, again, this is a Sunday morning, but normally this street is really, really busy. So as you can see, it's 4-lane. And so this is just obviously being visible to be visible or whatever. But I encourage you not to do a lot of this because, you know, it makes it easy for your sign to come down quickly. So we're going to go ahead and put a sign right here. Doing a good job. Hey, become an expert in an hour of training here. So boom, there we go.